Let's make some buttermilk and butter all at the same time. First, you need 35% whipping cream. Next, you need to whisk, whip, or shake in a mason jar, depending on which action you are using. It can take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, depending on which you choose to do. Once you see this white milky liquid and the yellowish butter, you have completed making both. Next, you will need to strain the butter from the buttermilk, and then you will need to take the butter and place it into an ice bath. And then you are done. Add a little bit of salt and you are good to go.